Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. So guys, getting this battery ready to start my generator. Actually need some charge, so actually gonna charge it up. So definitely gonna charge it up, guys. Right, so as you can see, okay, so it is showing, so it's showing there charging. Right, I don't know if you can see the indicator moving. Right, guys, so definitely preparing for hurricane, that category 5 that is coming, guys. Really it seems to be a serious hurricane. Would have gone through Grenada, did some damage. At the moment now, I mean approximately almost 6 a.m. in the morning here, Wednesday, July 3rd, 5:58 to be exact. This video is being recorded, so the exact time now is 5:58. I'm quite sure that once the rain starts, once there is some breeze, and then definitely gonna be a power cut, gonna lose electricity. So trying to ensure that Femitech is up and running even through the storm. So at the moment, again guys, getting this battery charged so that it can start my generator. Of course I have another battery, but this one is much smaller, much easier to handle. So once again guys, just subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. I'll be definitely giving you some update, guys. Femitech is out of here.